Okay, on number 21, we have addition and subtraction. And again, we can't do either of those operations without a common denominator. So, let's account for all of the factors in our denominators. We have 5x, x minus 1, and then let's factor this one to see what's there. Looks like x plus 5 and x minus 1. Okay, so that again, it has the x minus 1 in common with the other denominators, but we have an additional factor of x plus 5. Okay, so accounting for all of those, we have 5x times x minus 1 times x plus 5. And this should be our common denominator. Now remember, what we're going to do is we're going to go back up to the top and see for each fraction which part of the denominator might be missing. And we're going to multiply the fraction top and bottom by that denominator, by that factor. So if we look at the first fraction, we have the factors 5x and x minus 1, but we don't have x plus 5. So we'll need to multiply top and bottom by x plus 5. In order to do that, we'll use double distribution or FOIL, and x times x is x squared. We'll get a plus 5x and a minus 2x, so that's plus 3x, and 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. In the second term, we just have the x minus 1, so we're really going to need the 5x and the x plus 5. We'll be multiplying both of those times the 1 on top. So we're really just multiplying them together, and we'll get 5x squared plus 25x. In the third fraction, we have the x plus 5 and the x minus 1, but we don't have the 5x. So we'll need to multiply top and bottom of the denominator by 5x. Again, we are distributing, and we should get 15 x squared plus 10x. Now remember, in order to finish adding and subtracting, what we're doing on top is combining like terms. The denominator remains the same. Let's collect our squared terms first. We have 1x squared and 5x squared is 6x squared, but then a minus 15x squared. So that looks like negative 9x squared. Next, we'll look at x terms, or the linear terms. We get 3x plus 25x is 28x minus 10x is 18x. And last, the constant terms, it looks like we just have a minus 10. The question is, does this thing factor? Factors of 90 that add to 18. And I can't think of any. So I think we must be done.